Go.
Hello everyone, this is Werewolf 6414. As you can see that was Toby, and he's inside the room with me. There you go, he's laughing at his iPad now. So right now we're going to be going to see some fireworks, and you guys are going to come with me. Well, come on then, come with me. You can call this like a log video, can't you? Like, why not? Why not going to be going outside to get some fireworks ready? That's how cool this is right now.
Oh.
That was terrifying.
Right, see that?
What are you freaking out here, guys?
You don't miss. Oh boy. Run!
Oh. Whoa. Ooh. Oh, what? No, that's not good, that's not good, that's not good, that's not good. No. Okay, I like fireworks like that. That one's good. Whoa. Oh my god.
Go inside. You want to literally hit your boot then, and you were walking.
Oh my. Fireworks, stairs, fireworks, stairs. Stairs. Oh god. Why am I not inside on here right now? Man, I hate fireworks. I'm afraid I'm gonna have to stay up here or until when the Germans come along.
The second one catch.
Oh my god. Are they done with it? Oh my gosh, this is not fun. I really hate this. I'm just gonna go back inside. Please tell me this doors. Oh, I'm gonna have to go for that. Are they done yet? Oh my gosh. Freaking fireworks night. I freaking hate them. Oh, Moglim, you missed the whole time fireworks display. I didn't miss it. I was up here watching you guys through the window. Oh, let me guess, because you hate fireworks because you're one of the dogs. How would you to go back in Narnia? Good idea. I'm leaving. Before you go, look for this one more firework. And I'll do this for you. Oh. Where did it go? Oh my god, oh my god. No. It's good. I'm not doing that. Okay, I know where to hide. It's been a busy day. I don't know where Malcolm went after fireworks. I think he probably just went back to Narnia. Now it's time for us to get to... You have got to be joking me. Malcolm, wake up. Watchy, is that you? Oh, hey, Watchy. It's me. And were you under there the whole entire time? Yeah. I was here the whole entire time. I was decided to sleep on your bed because I was scared by fireworks. Next time go to Narnia. For now, I'm gonna have to just sleep on my bed now. Well, where else does I sleep? You know. Oh, fine. Thank you. Please just help me. I just going to have to sleep here tonight. Sorry, about the fireworks that time, Malcolm. You bet you did. But where you going? Play with trains. I see you later. But we are going soon. Gosh. Where's one McDonald when you need him?
I think we would have formed he was what the war began. I draw the fuel. That's right. My name's
Oh, cool.
Stephanie and Abigail.
And Josiah.
Josiah?
Yeah.
No, she's not here anymore.
Oh, isn't she?
No.
She's too old now.
She's too old.
Oh, dear.
There's no problem anymore.
Oh.
Hello everyone, this is Werewolf 6414. Just to let you all know, someone got hit by fireworks when we were doing some celebrating. Just to let you all know what happened. Someone got hit by spark from fireworks on my boot. Right now I'll show you a little clips of it, but to let you all know, stay away from fireworks at all times. I repeat, stay away from fireworks at all times because it's not meant for little children. There you go. That's it. That's all I want to say to you guys. So, ta-da! Don't play around with them. If you lit them up from inside, your house will catch on fire. Be careful with that. Oh my god. Oh my god.
One literally hit your boot then, and you were walking.
Oh. Do you apologize? This video is like both in one, 2 in 1, login video, plus these videos, except a gameplay video. Oh, by the way, I'll be doing some gameplays in the future. Really, I'm supposed to upload the gameplay on Wednesday, but not this Wednesday, like the last Wednesday at half term. And since I'm gonna have to cancel it, but I'll do a next one. Maybe later. Oh, by the way, please leave your comments below to tell me a question. Like, if I get to 10 subscribers, please just send me your message and I will answer it for you. You can ask me anything. Ask me anything. Will you do more gameplays? Yes, I will. Will you do log videos? Yes, I will. Will you have more people inside blush videos? Yes, I will. Answers like that. Okay. Ta-da! When I go, please do a stripe because I'm only one more stripe away. Yeah, literally, I'm only one more stripe away from 10 stripers. I need 10. I just only need one more left, please. Anyway, yeah, well, you know what I'm supposed to say. Do a stripe, or this will happen to you. I will eat you up. I will go over to your house and touch you out as a pirate and do that to you because you know what werewolves do. And done.